Obviously, we are riding in style today with the Pursuit Collection. We are doing a open top tour, and this thing is a custom vehicle. Top is completely open. I mean, how neat is this? So cool.
Over the years, all sorts of people have stayed at the Banff Springs Hotel. From those who just wanted to feel fancy and treat themselves to some luxury, to royalty, movie stars, celebrities, all sorts of people. The famous host of Queen Elizabeth and King Edward, Marilyn Monroe was up here while she was
Guys, I'm here with Simon. He's our tour guide today on the Open Top Tour by the Pursuit Collection. Simon, can you tell us more about the Open Top Tour?
Well, the Open Top Tour, we show people around Banff in this snazzy automobile that's a reproduction and inspiration from vehicles we showed people around in the 1930s. But this one's a modern version with a Ford F550 we had stretched out and the custom cab put on top.
Nice, nice. And what is your main takeaway, or what would you like for folks to be the main takeaway from this tour?
Just to experience Banff in a different way and have some fun and get some attention while we cruise around.
Simon, can you tell us what we have here?
We have orange and elderflower. It's orange and elderflower syrup produced by some of our friends in Canmore, and we combine it here with sparkling water for a nice treat.
Nice, thank you. So today we have a little bit of an overcast, so you really can't see how magnificent this view is in reference to where we are. But this is overlooking the entire town here of Banff. Banff here in Alberta. We are in Canada, of course. We're on a mountainside, so you can only imagine how high we are here. But the views are amazing. I'll bring it around in front of me so you can see kind of where we are. Mountains there behind me, all of that good stuff. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful.
Working on the railroad. When he came back 2 weeks ago, it turns out his engineers had misread his plans and located the hotel 190 degrees from where he thought it would be, meaning that the
Guys, look at this, look at this, look at this. This is beautiful. Canada, man, it's like, the beauty here is crazy. It's crazy.
I don't think you can do much damage. No, I don't think so. And our cruise does take 10 minutes.
Just yet. So today, at the helm, we have the talented and the intelligent Captain Hayden. Yeah! Well, there we go. We got a little bit of a fan club for you, Captain Hayden. Oh, I heated these up overnight. Yes. Oh. Maybe. So on their own, they retain their heat for about 5 hours.
obviously you guys see the views, you all see the experience. It's absolutely amazing. Got to see it in person though. So shout out to the Pursuit Collection for these one-of-a-kind experiences that they are doing. Lake Minnewanka was great. The open top touring tour was really cool. Shout out to our tour guide Simon. He did a great job.